Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Sipe. I want to review with you the vowels from our alphabet. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. They're the words that are in the middle of a lot of the words that we've been doing, like m, mop, or k, at, cat. These are the letters that glue the consonants or the other letters together. So a lot of you did some middle sounds work page for Miss V, and you did really well on them. But when you came down to saying what the sounds were for the letters, a lot of you did not have the sounds correct that I listened to. Now, I'm not saying you all did, I'm just saying some of you. So I want to practice here. A, apple, ah. So if you see that in the middle of a word, you have to say the sound ah. You don't say a, it's ah. Okay, this would be eh, like e, ed, eh. Okay, eh, not e. Okay, that's what we're saying in the middle of our words. This one is eh. I, itch, eh. So it's not I. If we see it in the middle of a word, it's eh. O, octopus, ah. O is ah. Not, we don't say the word letter O. And U is U, up, Remember when we stretched them out? A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. Okay, so remember, it's not, we do not say them when we are talking about sounds. It is not A, E, I, O, U. It's ah, eh, ah, uh. So that's the sounds that we need for in the middle of words. Okay, so practice that. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Miss you.